Hi guys and welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to be giving you my first impressions on the Soundcore by Anker Life.2NC. So this promises a lot. It's got hybrid active noise cancellation, thumping sound with 11mm drivers, clear calls via 4 mics, 7-hour playback time, 35 hours with charging case, IPX5 rating, 10 minutes of charge gives you 1.5 hours of listening time. It's got an app also. It's got incredible sound loved by 20 million plus people. I'm late to this one then. Okay, decent boxing. So that's what you get in the box. It slides out from the box. How do we sound? Hey, this is cool. This layout is really neat. I'll cut to a B-roll so you can see this up close. It's really nicely laid out. Okay, cool. So this is the oval shaped puck you get in the box. It seems nicely designed. It's got a nice matte look to it. There's a little window here that you can pull down to charge. And it feels good. It's got a nice feel, nice quality to it. Please download the app and upgrade to the latest firmware before use. But anyway, let's open the clamshell and see what it looks like. Wow, this is, it's nice, yeah. It looks nice. This is actually a very interesting way that they've laid this out. I'll show you these also in B-roll. Overall, I quite like the design of this. It's very neatly laid out. It's got a nice feel. I'll just go and upgrade the firmware and see how these fare. Cool, so I've downloaded the app, so I'll figure out the setup and all now. So, Life.2NC, okay. Searching. Select Soundcore device in Bluetooth settings. Go to Bluetooth settings. They're doing the flashy. Pair with Soundcore. 90% battery remaining. Okay, awesome. So it's working. So technically you don't need the app.
I think the app was just to get you on the latest version, is that all?
I have to check and see the latest version. Where do I go to the latest version? Okay, go back to the app. Hey, this has got a whole lot of features, yeah. Equalizer, controls, more device settings, serial number, update firmware. Let's check. There is an update. Default EQ has been retuned to improve your music listening experience. Call performance has also been improved. Anyway, this is updating, so I'll get back. So while the device is restarting, the app is quite cool. So with the app, you can see your independent battery levels of left and right channel, which is quite cool. You do have an equalizer control here, which you can customize. The noise cancelling option has various modes like transport, indoor and outdoor. It also has transparency mode, normal mode and noise cancelling mode. So it'll be very interesting to see how these function. The finish on the earbuds is quite nice. It's got a nice silicone earbud. It's also got these silicone wings, so it sits more snug in your ear. A lot of sports earphones have this, so they don't fall out when you go on a run. Maybe I should I test that? Should I test it for running? I'm not running in a long time. So the earphones actually have a very nice finish. The body of them has a matte finish black. The touch control is a glossy black. And where the microphone is sort of a chrome charcoal finish, which is quite smart looking. Cool, so we'll give these a listen and see just how they sound. They're more in-ear type. They're not really sitting on the outer part of the ear like Apple AirPods. And if you're comfortable with in-ear earphones, I think these are fine. I think the noise cancelling is on. By hybrid noise cancelling, do they mean that it's active and passive? Because technically,
Isn't the fact that it's got that silicone ear tip and the fact that it's in ear provides some sort of noise cancellation?
yeah, that's passive isolation. I mean, I can put my fingers in my ear. That's passive isolation. Talk to me.
About your run? You that.
Transparency mode is cool. I can hear you very clearly. Okay, anyway, moving on to the sound. You have any suggestions? What should I listen to?
I think you clearly need to test something that's thumping.
Thumping, yeah. I can't hear you. Music playing. At least on first impressions, this doesn't have the body that your Bose does. Unless I'm doing something wrong, I don't know. Everything's updated. EQ is on flat.
Why are you screaming?
Sorry, what?
What?
What did you say?
What did I say?
Did you say something?
No.
Okay, I'll move on to another thumping song.
Your voice is very thumping right now.
What?
What?
What did you say?
What did I say?
Pissing me off, I swear. Cardio dance workout. Chalo. Let's do it for my run.
You didn't hear me.
Obviously not, yeah. Noise cancelling on and I'm listening to the audio. What do you think? Actually, I should keep them on more often. Almost as if it's opening up.
Why are you screaming?
It sounds nice.
What's happening? doing? What are you listening to? What
Why are you throwing stuff at me?
Because you can't hear me.
I'll tell your mother. Okay, so having listened to these very briefly, moving on to heavier music, EDM stuff, or even if you're listening to acoustic stuff, the imaging off of these is quite tight. Everything's very defined. Body opens up, I'm sure, with better recordings, because the first one I heard, I forget which track I listened to, but it wasn't too great. I wouldn't say that these are very transparent, but on first impressions, these sound very crisp. They are very tight sounding. I'd like to spend a lot more time with these because they have a lot of potential. So I think the MRP on these is around maybe over 9,000 bucks here in India, but you can get these for about 7 on online portals. I will be doing a significantly more in-depth review of these after spending some time, and I'm actually looking forward to listening to these because they sound like a really nice set of earphones. So remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for tuning into Paul's POV for some sound advice.